Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful AI chatbot using Angular and Grok API. Completely free, no credit card required, no API limit issues, and most important, no course errors that we had with cloud. If you tried building AI chatbots before, you know the struggle. OpenAI has paid API, cloud has course issues, and other free options are either too slow or too complicated. Grok solves all of these problems. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional AI chatbot that responds instantly, looks beautiful, and costs $0 to run. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new. Before we start coding, let's make sure our development environment is ready. This is crucial for us smooth experience. Tools we need: Node.js, npm, VS Code, and Grok API key. And first of all, open your terminal and Node.js Node version and npm version. The Node version is 25.6.1 and the npm version is 11.9.0. This is the most important step: getting your free Grok API key. Grok offers incredibly fast AI inference with a generous free tier. No credit card needed. Open your browser and go to console.grok.com grok.com and create API key. Sign up or get started. Sign up with Google, GitHub, or email. No credit card required. Just create API key. Now let's install Angular CLI. We'll use Angular version 21, the latest version with all the modern features. Now just type command npm install -g and at the rate of Angular CLI at rate of latest. Hit enter. Run this command. The hyphen flag install the Angular CLI globally. This might take a minute. After installation, run ng version to verify. You should see Angular CLI version 21.2.2. Now create a perfect. Now let's create our new Angular 21 project. Open a folder and now uh, open terminal and show a folder and just type ng new Grok chatbot routing is equal to false. My style CSS skip tests. Let me break down this command. Ng new group chatbot creates project named group chatbot and hyphen routing is equal false. No routing needed for this simple app. And styling we will use CSS and we will skip test components, test files, and skip git initialization as well, and disable server side rendering as well, and hit enter. This takes 2 to 5 minutes. Now type cd bro chatbot. Hit enter. Now just type port dot. Open your project in VS Code. Now this is a critical step. We need to create an environment file to store our API key securely. This is the proper way to handle API keys in Angular. Never hardcode. Okay, environment file created. And now after that, open environment.ts file. Now save your environment files and okay, now this is the most important step, getting your free Grok API key. Grok offers incredibly fast AI inference with a generous free tier, no credit card needed. Just open console.grok.api grok.com and just create sign up and sign up with Google or GitHub or email. No credit card required. Just create API key. Name of the API key chatbot. And now submit with no expiration. Just submit. Now this is your API key. Just copy this API key and next step to paste it in your environment. Yeah, place with your API key, Grok API key, and same for environment.development.ts. Now in the next step we will create chat service. Now let's create our chat service. The brain of our chatbot. This handles all communication with the Grok API. And now just type nggs services and chat service. Hit enter. Now chat service is created now. Now update chat service.ts file. Now our chat service is now ready. Key parts of this service: important environment loads our API configurations and API URL, the Grok API endpoints, and the model using Llama 3.18b, instant, free, and fast. Send messages to Grok API. And fallback if API falls, return mock response for testing. After this, create component. Now let's create the chat component, the visual interface users will see. Just type nggc components chat component. Hit enter. Now open the chat component. Now update the logic. Now let's configure our app to use HTTP client and display our chat component. Open app.config and just import provide HTTP client. Now open app.ts file and now just type here chat component. Remove this code and use app chat component. Okay, time to see our chatbot in action. And first compilation takes 1 to 3 minutes, so be patient. And open your browser and localhost 4200, and now you should see your AI chatbot with a welcome message. And now just type hello, it's nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with, or would you like to chat? And just type who are you. Hit enter. Now you see I am an artificial intelligence model designed to assist you and communicate. And as well you can ask what is Angular. Okay, you see, with a valid Grok API key, you will get real AI responses without the key. It falls back to mock responses. And congratulations, and you have built a complete AI chatbot with Angular 21 and Grok API. Next step to enhance, deploy to yourself, and add voice input, dark mode, save message history to local storage. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below with your questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.